Integrating Shopify with your WordPress website can be a powerful way to expand your e-commerce capabilities and reach a wider audience. To start, you will need to have a WordPress website and a Shopify account. First, go to the Shopify App Store and search for the WordPress integration app. Once you have found the app, click on the Get button to install it. You will then be redirected to a page where you will need to enter your WordPress website URL and other details to connect your WordPress site to Shopify. Next, you will need to install the Shopify WordPress plugin on your WordPress website. This plugin will allow you to connect your Shopify store to your WordPress site and manage your products and orders from one place. To install the plugin, go to your WordPress dashboard and click on the Plugins tab. Then click on Add New and search for the Shopify WordPress plugin. After installing the plugin, you will need to configure the settings to connect your Shopify store to your WordPress site. This will involve entering your Shopify API credentials and setting up the payment and shipping options. You can find your API credentials in your Shopify account under the Apps section. Once you have connected your Shopify store to your WordPress site, you can start selling products directly from your WordPress website. You can use the Shopify plugin to create a product catalog and add products to your WordPress pages and posts. You can also use the plugin to manage your orders and customers from one place. To take your integration to the next level, you can use other Shopify plugins and apps to add more functionality to your WordPress website. For example, you can use a plugin to add a Shopify cart to your WordPress site, or use an app to create a seamless checkout experience for your customers. Overall, integrating Shopify with your WordPress website can be a great way to expand your e-commerce capabilities and reach a wider audience. By following these steps and using the right plugins and apps, you can create a powerful and seamless e-commerce experience for your customers.